Most concrete today is designed to last about 50 years. Some don't even make it that far. Yet standing in the heart of Rome is a concrete structure that has survived nearly 2 millennia, without steel, without modern cement, and without collapsing. This isn't luck, it's not magic. It's a forgotten formula that modern science is only now beginning to understand. So here's the paradox. How did ancient Romans build concrete structures that have survived earthquakes, floods, and centuries of wear, while much of our modern concrete crumbles in decades? The answer lies in a forgotten recipe and a surprising gift from volcanoes. Modern concrete is designed for speed. Pour fast, set fast, move on. Roman concrete was different. It wasn't rushed. It was engineered to endure. At the heart of this mystery is a material the Romans prized above all others, pozzolana. Pozzolana is a fine volcanic ash found near places like Mount Vesuvius. To the Romans, it was almost magical. When mixed with lime and water, especially seawater, pozzolana triggered chemical reactions that modern concrete simply doesn't replicate. Instead of forming brittle bonds, Roman concrete created stable crystalline structures, including minerals like aluminous tobermarite. Here's where it gets incredible. When tiny cracks formed, seawater would seep in, reacting with unspent ash particles and slowly healing the concrete from the inside. Over time, Roman concrete didn't weaken. It actually became stronger. Modern concrete cracks and fails. Roman concrete adapts. The recipe alone wasn't enough. Roman durability also came from brilliant engineering choices. They used angular, heavy aggregates, not smooth gravel, locking the concrete together like a puzzle. Their construction method, known as opus cementitium, involved layering concrete carefully rather than pouring it all at once. Look at the port of Cosa in Italy. Its concrete piers have stood underwater for over 2,000 years, exposed to waves and salt that destroy modern marine concrete in decades. Ironically, salt water, the enemy of modern structures, helped Roman concrete grow stronger. The trade-off? Time. Roman construction took longer, required more labor, and demanded patience, something modern building rarely allows. For centuries, this knowledge was lost. But in the last decade, especially following landmark studies around 2017, scientists finally cracked the code. Using electron microscopes and atomic-level analysis, researchers observed the exact mineral formations that give Roman concrete its resilience. Today, engineers are experimenting with Roman-inspired concrete, especially for seawalls, bridges, and long-term infrastructure, where durability matters more than speed. We're not just copying the Romans, we're learning from them. The secret wasn't advanced technology. It was simple materials used brilliantly: volcanic ash, lime, water, patience. The Pantheon still stands as proof that ancient wisdom can outperform modern shortcuts. As we face a future demanding sustainability and longevity, the Romans quietly remind us sometimes the best way forward is to look back. If you enjoyed this journey into hidden science and forgotten engineering marvels, hit subscribe and join us as we uncover more secrets the modern world forgot, but desperately needs to remember. Because the past still has lessons to teach us, if we're willing to listen.